What are some quick and easy changes you can do for your website to look better and attract more clients? In this video, I'll go through some quick changes that you can do for your website to look a little bit better and attract more viewers and turn them into customers. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business growth. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. And if you need somebody to help you with your website design, my services are in the description below. Now, the first thing you can do for a better website for your clients is to optimize your website with plugins. Now, plugins are different and there are many options out there, but here are a few that I recommend for amazing websites. I use Elementor for designing unique pages and product pages for my shop. It is really easy to customize even with the free version. You have a lot of elements options, a lot of pages options, products, titles, and all these things that will really help you customize your website to your desire. If you want to try Elementor free, the link is in the description below for the pricing as well if you want to check out the pro version. The next plugin I recommend is WooCommerce for selling products. It is really easy to list products, optimize the product pages with Elementor, and it has PayPal integrated, so it is really easy to receive your payment and just offer your customers the best service possible. I use it for digital products, but you can also use it for physical products as well. I also use Monster Insights for tracking my analytics and for tracking how many page views I get each day, each month, and to see where the referrals are coming from and how good my pages are performing on my website. And another plugin that I recommend is YoastSEO for optimizing your pages for search engine optimization. It is really helpful to see how your pages will look in search, what picture they will have available, the featured image, and everything else. It will just show you exactly how your website will look for that page in a Google search. So that will help you bring your website in front of a larger audience because you've optimized with the right keywords and they show you exactly what keywords you need to use. It is a great tool for any website. The next quick change that I would do for a website that is kind of boring and not really appealing for customers is I would choose to add a little bit more images or a slider on the homepage of that website. So I would choose to add a little bit more visuals than text over on the homepage because those are the ones that attract the most, and then people love reading on the front page and learn a little bit about your business, but not a lot. So it is not like a blog post. Your homepage needs to be the front page of your brand to represent everything you are about, but a little bit of each. So it is the most likely that that is the first page on your website that your audience will see. So I recommend adding your brand colors, your brand fonts, writing a little bit but not a lot, and adding as many visuals, graphics, images as you can. The next thing that I suggest adding overall on your website that will make your website a lot better are testimonials or clients' reviews. Even if you're selling services, products, you're a photographer, whatever you're selling, whatever you are, even if you're a blogger or the website is for your online store where you sell physical or digital products, client reviews and testimonials are very important to be seen because people can see that they can trust you, they can see that other people have worked with you or have purchased from you, and they can see real results from real people. For products, I suggest have them verified so they can show there that this is a verified purchase and people can see that those people actually purchased the product from you and then left a review, so it is not just a random review. And for testimonials, make sure they are authentic and make sure to add an image of the person leaving you that review and their occupation, because that can really help you with services reviews and people can see who you've worked with and how their experience went, and that can help them trust you more, bring more authenticity to your brand and to your website in general. Another thing that you can add to your website to personalize it a little bit more are either Instagram feed, YouTube feed, Pinterest feed, and your Facebook page. So basically link people to all those platforms, social media platforms that you use, but also show a little bit of the content. So these are plugins that you can use for that. I will list some of my favorites in the description below. You can use the Instagram feed plugin to display your feed on your entire website or only on the homepage. The feed will be automatically optimized and automatically updated as you post on Instagram, and it will just look a lot better and people will get to know your brand a lot more, and they will also see what you do. For example, if you list a YouTube feed, they will see that you also do YouTube from going to your website, and they will most likely subscribe to your channel as well. If you're curious about what WordPress themes you should choose for your website, make sure to click the link below for this document document right here, I have over 70 themes recommendations for WordPress that are minimal, feminine, and perfect for bloggers or entrepreneurs. So those are my top recommendations, and if you want to see my top 5 recommendations for WordPress themes, watch this video right here. It will definitely help you out. The next thing I recommend for a better looking website is a main menu optimization or design. You can do that with Elementor, or you can do that from any theme that you've purchased. So by doing that, you will customize that menu as you would find fit for your brand, and the main menu is also visible on every single page. That is really important to be optimized to your brand, and you can also optimize it with your brand font. Another thing about menus is that you can add a secondary menu on the top of the page where you can add contact me, about me, privacy policy, so you won't fill out the main menu too much. And I also suggest adding a social media menu either at the top or at the side of the screen, and also add it in the footer of your website. There you can also add other menus, and this is also something that I recommend, optimizing your website footer as well to fit your brand. Another quick change that you can do to your website is to remove unnecessary links from your main menu and add them as a drop down. Obviously you can use the secondary menu, but if you want to add them to the main menu as well, you can add contact and then add about and privacy policy as drop down. You don't need to fill out your entire menu with a bunch of things. The same goes for product categories. And the next and last thing that you can do to optimize your website a bit better is to find out where to place your logo for your website to look the best. So with any theme, I believe you have different options of choosing where your logo goes. So you have the option of adding it to the left of the screen, to the center, above the main menu, or you can have the option of adding it in the middle of the main menu and split your main menu in two. I think that looks really good for some websites, so I just suggest trying out different placements of the logo on your website to see which one fits the best. So this is how you optimize your website to fit your branding and your style, and these are some quick changes that you can do to your website to make it a lot more appealing for your visitors and to turn them into customers. Again, if you need help with website design, you can check out my website design services below, or you can contact me on Instagram at lydia.incomingsuccess if you have any questions about my service or about anything else. On Instagram, I also post daily, so make sure to follow me on there for more insightful content. And if you're looking to grow your online business with social media more, every single week I post tutorials on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for those. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.